guys, welcome back to my IGTV. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Kritya, and if you haven't followed me yet, please make sure you do. I'll insert my ID right here. So getting back to today's video, I am going to collaborate with yet another skincare brand again, and the name of the skincare brand is Slova Cosmetics, and they have sent me their PR package, which I'm going to be unboxing soon. So I had an option to choose whatever I wanted from the list of their skincare products, and I chose the Renew Mask. So today I'm going to be reviewing their Renew Mask, so please keep on watching. Also guys, I know I have promised a lot of makeup and dance videos on my IGTV, but since they require like proper planning and execution and shooting, and a lot goes behind them, so I just wanted to finish the skincare review videos phase first and then get into the makeup and the dance part. So I'll be finishing the skincare thing first. So sorry about that, and let's get into the video. Guys, in the previous video I was just opening the package, and I really liked the sweet little things which were there inside the package apart from the product. So coming back to the product, this is the Renew Mask, and it is quite easy and handy, and you can take it anywhere along with you. So how do you use this? So you just have to apply a layer of this on your skin and like on your face and neck, preferably I would go for both. After 5 to 10 minutes, remove it with cotton pads and rinse it with water. So after you apply it, 5-10 minutes ke baad, we will take a cotton pad, remove it, and then wash our faces. So now I'm going to be trying this. So guys, of course. So guys, this is the product, and Slova Cosmetics ships in the US as well, and they have started shipping in India very recently. I'm going to insert their Instagram ID right here, so that you can follow them and get your products as soon as possible. So this is like a foam sort of texture. I'm not sure. It's creamy as well as foamy, and upar ek sprayer hai, so it's like easier to apply, you know, rather than the opening dabba and you know all that jazz. So this is really creamy and foamy, so I don't want to like apply directly from the haath mein. So I got a container, and I'm going to like put thoda product in this and apply it with the brush. So I'm definitely going to time lapse that part of me applying the face mask, because you wouldn't want to see me do random shit for 5 to 10 minutes if you remember. So let's get into it. Guys, 10 minute हो चुके हैं, and so the next step is we remove it with a cotton pad or a cotton ball, up to you. I use cotton balls, मतलब I keep shifting from cotton pads to cotton balls. So as of now I'm using the cotton balls, and I'm just going to remove that mask off my face. So I'll quickly finish this and come back. Also I'm looking like a ghost, I know, thanks. So guys, I have partially removed the mask, and I wanted to show you the cotton pad. Isme you can see all the dust and jo bhi dead skin say, you know, the dust particles, everything is off. If I can zoom it itna. So I think abhi main face wash karke आऊंगी, and I'll tell you. So guys, I have washed my hair. And recently, by the way, I've had a lot of acne issues, मुझे पता नहीं क्यों हो रहा है. आई एम दैट पर्सन हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ स्किन अ लॉट एंड keeps applying the मतलब whatever home remedies या skin care routines and whatever. I do follow everything, but I don't know why I have so much of acne. And anyway, so coming back to the mask, I think it worked. Everything, all the skincare I use works for my skin. And मुझे ये लगता है कि after using this, I had like बहुत सारे heat boils जो रिलैक्स हो गए हैं. एंड आई फील जो भी मेरा यहाँ अंडर आई के पास देवर लॉट ऑफ डेड स्किन बोलते हैं ना, सो इट्स मोर और लेस लाइक अ घर का फेशियल. तो यू डोंट हैव टू गो टू द पार्लर एंड डू दैट फेशियल एंड क्लीन अप. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप डन लाइक अ ठीक है चीप वाला क्लीन अप एट होम. सो मोर देन एनीथिंग आई फील मेरा स्किन क्लियर हुआ है. एंड ऑल द डेड स्किन एंड डस्ट पार्टिकल्स एंड जो भी टॉक्सिक कुछ होगा मेरे स्किन में बिकॉज ऑफ रेगुलर यूज ऑफ मेकअप. एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ रेगुलर यूज ऑफ मेकअप माई स्किन इज गेटिंग थोड़ा खराब. बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू वर्क ऑन थोड़ा उसको अच्छा करने का आई एम ट्राइंग. सो या, सो कमिंग बैक टू Slova Cosmetics, आई थिंक दे आर अ वेरी गुड ब्रांड एंड दे वर वेरी स्वीट विद एवरीथिंग. एज टू पहले आई पिक समथिंग एल्स एंड देन आई टोल्ड देम आई वांट दिस, सो दे वर वेरी पेशेंट एंड दे I told them कि मेरे acne issue है, and that's when they suggested me कि you should go for the Renew mask. And so I think it worked for me. And guys, Slova Cosmetics is really nice. And also my sister Kanika has also got the PR package where she's I think doing, what is the name, the glow mask. So she's reviewing the glow mask which was suiting her skin. She needed the glow mask, so she asked them and they said ki she should try the glow mask. So if you want to know how the glow mask worked, you can go to her Instagram and check her video out as well. So yeah, so I'm going to end this video by thanking Slova Cosmetics for sending me their product. And I want to thank you all for just watching me do random shit and help me. You guys are really nice, dude. Like this is the same, like literally this is like very similar to the first video, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. Whatever I do, I like posting about it and letting you all know. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully the next video will be about makeup, so stay tuned. And until next time, bye.